This tutorial review will show you how to sign up for an Uber account. First of all, download the Uber software on your iOS or Android device from Google Play Store or App Store. Then launch the Uber app. Tap on Get Started. To create a new account, you can use your Apple ID, you can use your Facebook account, you can use your Google or email account to create a new account. Also, you can create a brand new account using your mobile number. So tap on this country option and select your country from this list. Enter here your valid phone number. Tap on continue. Then you will get a verification code to your phone number. All you have to need, just enter the verification code here. Now enter your first name and last name. Tap on next. Tap on I agree. Next. Now you can start a tour from here, but I'm going to skipping this. And this is how we can create a brand new Uber account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.